investment criteria is a straightforward one. So we're really looking to find the best quality businesses we can in Europe at prices which imply an attractive long-term return to us as investors. So in order to do that, we use our big team of 16 analysts in continental Europe, 16 in the UK, as well as dipping into our small cap capability to be able to scour that market, which we think is about 800 plus companies which come into our range, and then to identify the best quality businesses within that. And we're looking at a number of factors, but primarily we're looking at the strength of a business model, the attractiveness of the industry that the company operates in. We're looking at the strength of financials, so that's balance sheet, cash flow, accounting. We're looking at the quality of the management, their incentives, their experience, their track record, and then we're looking at the quality of the ESG risk management. And when we boil all that down, we think we find about 80 to 100 companies which we would say are the best quality ones in Europe. And then from that, we're then looking to build a portfolio of around 30 to 35 names. Currently we have about 33. And it's really about finding a diversified range of companies doing different things in different sectors with different drivers, but which all meet that quality criteria and which have attractive long-term potential for returns for our investors. So that's very much the approach. This year has been a stronger year for performance than we might have expected. It's been a stronger year for markets than we might have expected. If you think back to the fourth quarter last year, it was a very volatile time, and so this year has benefited from the recovery from the fourth quarter. Stock selection has been the primary driver of performance within the fund during 2019, and we've benefited from strong performance from a number of names. The London Stock Exchange would be one example, which has really benefited from strong underlying trading, a shift towards its position as a data provider, and also the deal it's done with Refinitiv. Another company that's been very strong this year for us has been Amplifon, which is the Italian hearing aid retailer. It bought a business here in Spain last year, Geiss, which has proved to be a very successful acquisition, and it continues to benefit from demographic change, which is driving demand for hearing aids, as well as consolidation in a fragmented industry. The sectors which we're overweighted currently are technology, consumer goods, industrials, and healthcare. We also find some companies within financials as well, although technically we're slightly underweight. But we are able to find good companies across a range of sectors, and we very much start with those criteria that I talked about earlier. We don't start by saying we want to have consumer goods, we want to have technology, we want to have healthcare. We just want to find really good businesses, and we don't really mind which sectors they're in. However, it does tend to be the case that you find more really good quality companies in certain sectors, such as the consumer goods space, such as technology and healthcare.